Na kabinta ki khubor ba man kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ki samla puli ki be khunne ka exam common university entrance test CUET hanehu center ki laha ban apalat arkanta ban yo tho ya ka examin jo ka subject English. Ka National Testing Authority NTA kalabo ikapor lai baji ban pinsdang ya ka exam jong ka subject English bala aipor south sun minute. Henry Kanehu Center kadang la ban pelong ya kene ke exam balai baji hadu kapor san khat san baji janmin. Hadu ki samla puli ki bdei tho ekene ke exam haringkat ki kmi ki pa ki balit sunran kila sa haka umdum halor ka rukom penya jengki bor kmi ya kene ke exam Hanehu Center ki balayat lat ya kapor balabu daka NTA. Na kaliang kilat pathai khubor habayo I bani kundu yo mintri rang ba ka jilla ukon rat ke sangma ban kali ke ei ka ba ka Sorkar ka don banyarap ke samla tho exam CUET ki ba kundu mausi ukon rat ke sangma ya thu kani ke jing tho exam CUET ke samla ka Sorkar jilla graduate kren bar ka Sorkar India ban ai center tho bar ka jilla kalayo Shillong Jawai bar Garu Hills na ka benta ka jing e ban tho exam ki center kila biang reban penyai kamde ka benta jong ka Sorkar jila kade jong ka Sorkar India ka Sorkar jila kamla ban tuklang namala penyai na Delhi ya thu ukon rat ki sangba.
The CUET exam is conducted by central agencies. It's not conducted by the state government, and therefore it is completely in their jurisdiction. Number three, for the last many years we were able to get the exemption because we do not have enough centers. Even now we don't have enough centers, but at least every region today has a center, and I thank the government of India. Today Jawai, Shillong and Tura have the CUET center. Third point which is very important to note is that the CUET exam, again a reminder to everybody, is mainly for the exams that are being conducted for college admissions in the center in the NEHU courses, and that is the reason why today, after the amendment to the Captain Williamson Sangma University, we will be able to now affiliate all the colleges from NEHU to the state university, so that any college that is not planning to have any kind of course affiliated with NEHU doesn't need to affiliate with NEHU anymore in the future, and they will affiliate with the Captain Williamson Sangma University, which will then make it very easy for those colleges to then not conduct the CUET exam anymore in the future.
There are concerns about the students were standard, roll numbers were not given.
Again, as I said, it's not something that that we as state government handle. It's a central government agency that handles this. But if there are certain concerns that are there, we'll be happy to take up. Last time there was some issue even with the NEET exam, again conducted by central agency. We took up the matter as a state government with the agency and asked them to inquire into it. Similarly, if there is an issue with the CUET exam, we will definitely speak to the agency at the center and ask them to inquire into the matter.
Sir, even some of
The important point is we have the centers now, so that's important. And while there could be teething problems, while there could be certain challenges at certain centers, I'm sure it will improve as we go along. But as I said, what is more important is that now we have many more centers, and in the future we will have many more centers also.
So recently we inspected